this side of the cafe or the restaurant is facing SM City Clark. Look at that cloud coming. Oh, go away. Wow, this is it, bro. Look. So that's our place over there. Let's go. Clouds Bar, finally. So this is the Clouds Bar. What a great place, guys. Napaka, para sa akin very elegant na nasa rooftop, very chill pa rin. However, look at the clouds. Sana umayon yung panahon para sa amin para mapakita po namin sa inyo kung ano lahat mga saserve nila sa atin. The place in itself, actually, it's very good. Wow. Wow. Dami ng tao pala. Bro, how do you feel?
Nakaka-intimidate dito.
Actually, a little bit intimidating personally.
Parang napaka-high-end ng mga tao. Pero let's see yung
Let's see. Yeah.
Let's see kung ano pa rin yung may experience natin dito.
Take a look at this two couples, guys. Sobrang nasusulit nila yung lugar na to. Napaka-romantic. For me, I think best place to have your Valentine's date. Lapit na lang yan, guys. BFFs?
Okay.
Since college or work?
Since since Nene days.
I was hoping na makita yung parking lot natin from here. Hindi pala siya. But this is the place, guys. So this is Balibago area. There's Dainty. Johnny's is over there. Look at the majestic Arait Mountain. Yun, So this is it, guys. This is our table. Thank you so much again, the Clouds Bar, for inviting us. First impression, Mark?
Napaka-cozy, Instagrammable, and syempre, napakaganda ng view kaninang around siguro mga golden hours.
Actually, very evident yun kasi pagdating natin dito, almost everyone here nagsiselfie, TikTok, they are making sure that, you know, they capture the moment dito sa taas ng the Clouds Bar natin.
Actually, ang kagandahan naman dito is kitang-kita mo yung Clark, yung Mount Arayat, portion ng Angeles, and yung nakapalibot dito.
What I like about the place, it's very romantic, and I think this is a perfect place for you to have your Valentine's Day date.
Yes.
No?
Actually, speaking of Valentine's, parang yung setup natin ngayon. So,
pansin nyo, guys, so meron pa tayong mga petals and stuffed toy and pillows. I can't imagine.
Pero speaking of date, kanina may mga nakita tayo na nagde-date.
Exactly.
So they reserved the place.
So, magandang place to para celebrate ng
Yep.
Valentine's.
Babalik po kayo dito, Valentine's Day.
For sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is mine. Cheers. So that was it, Mark. How was the experience? Kumusta?
So, yung experience natin, napakasarap. Chill lang dito, lalo na nakikita mo yung buong Angeles.
Sama dun sa sinabi mong napakasarap, masarap din yung pagkain.
Yes.
Ako nag-enjoy ako guys dun sa steak nila. So kung nagbabalak ka na i-surprise yung dinner date mo sa Valentine's Day, make sure to check out their fan page. Contact nyo po sila if you wanna set up ang table, kung meron kang konting pakulo.
Yes.
Ganyan, no? I think maganda rin gamitin yung kanilang billboard dito.
Yung LCD nila,
yeah.
they show yung mga messages nyo or even yung mga pictures nyo together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and visit the Clouds Bar.
Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out guys. Bye.